Hey guys, I'm going to try this one more time. I'm coming to you from my office at 5057 Woodward on the ninth floor, and so I'm going to see if this internet connection provides us with a better outcome. So we'll see what happens. So here we go. So I know many of you had some questions about the link to create a thread in the discussion board. I think that I have got that fixed. I think in the cacophony of everything that's happened this week, I think there was a button that I did not click, so that was my fault. If you were going crazy today trying to find that link, it probably wasn't there. Hopefully it's there now. If you still have trouble, you let me know. I'm going to be on top of my email as much as possible for the remainder of the night and see what we can come up with. And I'll help you and do whatever we possibly can. So, and if for whatever reason it doesn't happen, we're just going to have to punt or do whatever we got to do this weekend. But hopefully everything's squared away. So to keep this video short, I'm going to minimize down here. Obviously, watch the week 12 video, whatever that means this week. We're composing our drafts of Project 4, upload to the discussion board by tonight. So we're trying to work on getting that done. I'm going to click on the research proposal outline and just take a brief look at that. I'm going to try to keep this video very short. So you're responding also to the methodology section that I provided you feedback for this past week. In a lot of cases, we just need to get more narrow as well as more detailed, and also make those connections from what it is, the information, the data that we're trying to glean, and then how we're actually going to be able to apply it. Then once we kind of have that set, as you're working on that, then that gives you more to really talk about as far as the discussion is concerned. So I'm going to read this last part here from the rubric. Provides clear, scaffolded details that enable other DC members, discourse community members, to replicate the research, solves the presented gap in the research using the proposed methodology and method, discusses in detail and with a clear sense of authorial voice how the proposal project does the following three things. Validates the research problem. In other words, how does the methodology, the study, the research that you just proposed in the preceding section, how is that validating or making it more it's concretizing, it's making it doable, it's going to add to the literature, okay? So in other words, your research question and all of your literature review and how you introduce this project and the subject that you were talking about, that they're very strongly connected. Then feasibly address the research objective problem. Then you would talk a little bit more kind of about the results, how those results of what you were getting, what you might find, how those results would then be applied to solving or filling that gap more specifically. And then constrained by limitations of scope, frame, or other factors. So in other words, as with any study or any research, you can't get everything in one study or research. So we acknowledge at this point that while we may have looked at this group of people, while we may have looked at this thing in a particular way, still more needs to be done. And obviously when you're looking perhaps at one group of people, or you only look at 50, or you look at 100, you look at a 500, it's only a small sample, it's only a representative sample. Okay, so we acknowledge those things and then talk about other factors as far as where we could go from here. Further research still needs to be done. Okay, I'm over 3 minutes. I wanted to keep this very, very short. We're going to upload this, and hopefully we'll be watching this very soon. Hope you guys have a good weekend. I'm so sorry for this week. Thank you for your patience. You guys are awesome. If there's anything I can do that you can't get my hand on the screen here. If there's anything else I can do for you, please let me know. Talk to you soon. Have a good weekend.